Hello everyone. So today let's look at a case study question from Applications of Trigonometry. At an archery academy, Guru Drona had floated a gift box with two balloons at a height of h meters from a table. Now, as part of his practice, Arjuna was given the task to bring down the gift box from this point C to the table B. And Arjuna was standing at a horizontal distance of 100 meters from the table. He aimed at the balloons with an angle of elevation of theta and shot an arrow at one of the balloons. Now, when Arjuna burst the first balloon, the box came down to a height of h meters from the table. Now, in order to aim at the second balloon, he shot an arrow by reducing the angle of elevation by a value beta. So, the new angle of elevation becomes theta minus beta. Now, when the second arrow was shot, the balloon burst and the gift box landed safely on the table. Assuming that all arrows traveled in straight lines, we are asked to solve a couple of questions. The first question is, given theta is 45 degree and beta is 15 degree, we are asked to find the difference. In the second question, theta is given as 45 degree and beta 15 degree. So this angle is theta minus beta, that is 30 degree. Now we are asked to find the distance that the arrow has to travel, that is distance AD, in order to burst the balloon. So in right triangle ABD, sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So the value of h we have already calculated in the previous question as 100 by root 3. Now, substituting all the values, we get AD is equal to 200 by root 3 meters. So, correct answer is option B. Now, when Ashwathama was doing the same activity, Guru Drona raised the gift box higher so that the angles theta and beta now became 60 and 30 degree. So, we are asked to find the value of h by h, the ratio, the new values. So, we again use the triangles ABC and ABD and calculate the ratios tan 60 degree and tan 60 minus 30 degree, and using these we calculate the ratio h by h to be 3. So the correct answer is option D. In the next question, when the angle of elevation was 45 degree, it strained Arjuna's neck. He felt uncomfortable and he moved back from his original position by a certain distance so that his new angle of elevation became